Differentiate y is equal to 5x cubed minus 2 to the power of 12 with respect to x. Now, one thing we don't want to do is be able to expand that using the binomial theorem and then differentiate term by term. So we use a thing what was known as the chain rule. So the chain rule works like this. You let u be equal to 5x cubed minus 2. Differentiate that. So you let u be the bracket basically, so that becomes 15x squared. You differentiate 2, you get nothing. That means that y is now u to the 12, and you can say that dy by du will be 12u to the 11. Now the chain rule says that dy by dx is equal to dy by du times du by dx. So we're going to say this is going to be equal to 12u to the 11 times 15x squared. Well, u was my invention, so I should put it back. So 12 times 15x squared will give me 180x squared, and u I put back to being what it was, which is 5x cubed minus 2 to the power of 11, that should be. Okay, now that's rather long-winded to do it that way, so it would be better to do it like this. A quicker method would be to look at this and say, take 12, bring it down in front, write down the bracket, and then reduce the power by 1, which is 11, and then differentiate the bracket again, which gives you 15x squared, and then obviously combine that with that to get back to 180x squared times 5x. Again, I've forgotten the cubed. 5x cubed minus 2 to the power of 12. This is perhaps an easier method to do, so just repeat that. You take the 12, you bring it down in front of the bracket, you write down the bracket, we reduce the power by 1, differentiate the bracket, then combine that with that. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use the chain rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.